To set up copy trading, you will need an account, which can be created using a link provided in the description or a pinned comment. And signing up through this link will grant a 30% discount on all trading fees. Once you have an account, find a suitable wallet to copy trade from, as this is a crucial step in the process. A good wallet can be found by clicking on a coin, then selecting the holder's option to view a list of wallets. From this list, you can access and review different wallets to find a suitable one. To set up copy trading with a chosen wallet, click on the avatar next to it, rather than the wallet itself, to view the wallet's activity. Then, click on the copy trade option and enter the required information, including the amount and preferred settings, such as max buy amount, fixed buy, or fixed ratio, and choose a sell method. Advanced settings are also available for expert users. After configuring the settings, confirm to set up the copy trade.